Today we're going to be looking at 5 houses for sale in St. Catherine. House number 1. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in Newaton, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 2,500 square feet and it's been listed for 25 million Jamaican dollars. We then move from here and head on the inside. Here we have kitchen number 1. And this is kitchen number 2. For the living and dining areas, there were no images provided. Next, we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. Third bedroom. And this is the fourth bedroom. We move from here to the bathrooms. Here's the first bathroom. And this is the second bathroom. From here, we're going to head to the back of the property. And that would be the end for house number 1. House number 2. Now this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom house found in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 4,000 square feet and it's been listed for 15 million Jamaican dollars. From here we head on the inside. First up we have the living and dining area. And the next is the kitchen. We then move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. For the bathrooms, there were no images provided. Lastly, we have the rooftop terrace. And that would be the end of the images for house number 2. House number 3. This 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house is found in the gated community of New Harbour Village in Old Harbour, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 4,717 square feet and it's on the market for 18.5 million Jamaican dollars. Let's head on the inside. Here we have the veranda. Next is the living and dining area. From there we move on to the kitchen. And next are the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Followed by that is the bathroom. And from here we're going to head to the back of the property. That would be the end of house number 3. House number 4. This 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is found in the community of Villemore in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. The size of this lot is 6,534 square feet and it's on the market for 22 million Jamaican dollars. Let's head on the inside. Here we have the living and dining area. And next is the kitchen. Followed by that we have the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. Second bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. Out of 5 bedrooms, 3 were shown. For the bathrooms, there were no images provided. From here, we're going to head to the back of the property. And that would be the end of the images for house number 4. House number 5. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom house is found in 6 West in Greater Portmore, St. Catherine. The size of this house is 1,750 square feet and it's on the market for 30 million Jamaican dollars. Let's take a closer look. Here we have the veranda. We then move on to the living and dining area. Next is the kitchen. And from there we move right along to the bedrooms. Here's the first bedroom. And this is the second bedroom. Out of 3 bedrooms, 2 were shown. Next is the bathroom. This house has 3 bathrooms, however only 1 is being shown. Next we have the laundry area. And followed by that is the rooftop terrace. And that will be the end of the images for house number 5. This also brings us to the end of the video, so if you are interested in any of the houses that were shown, I'll be leaving all the information down below in the description box for the realtors and also the links for the houses. If you made it this far, thanks so much for sticking with us. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.